What's up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and in this video I'm going to show this masking title effect used by Peter Mckinnon in his latest video. So this particular effect is mostly about masking, and masking. So all you need to do is masking and a simple basic kind of title effect, and that's all. So I have made this effect for both Premiere Pro and for Final Cut Pro. So if you have come for Premiere Pro, then skip to this portion, and if you have come for Final Cut Pro, then skip to this portion. And with that being said, what's up guys, Pixel Sammy here. Welcome to a newest video. I hope you guys are having a great day. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to show for Final Cut Pro. And this is the footage which I have taken, where I am moving my hand so that I can do the masking. Okay, so just let me zoom in, and at that particular position where I'm going to place my hand, just at that particular position place a marker by pressing M, and where I'm going to end the marker is the position where I'm going to just lift my hand down. And then this will be my duration of the clip. So type in basic in the text panel and drag it here, cut the extra portion and delete the extra portion, and then for this clip just increase the size and increase the size from here and change it to bold or whatever font which you like, and change it to like hello in my case. I'm going to place the position of the word in such a way that the word covers the entire movement of my hand, like around here. And let me tilt it a little bit, and then go to the starting of the clip, and this will be the good one for me. Okay, so just let me increase the length of the clip just a little bit, and then compound this, and then go to the effects panel and type in mask and drag the mask onto this clip, and then start drawing a mask on the clip, on the text effect, like this. Make sure to make a good masking and set a keyframe to the control point, and go to the next frame and keep on editing the mask like this. Go to the next frame again and keep on updating the mask so that it seems like that the word is coming out of your hand, like this. It should have been a bit longer word because my hand movement is a bit longer, but for the sake of example this is pretty much good. Okay, so as you can see that I am not masked properly, so take your own time in doing this, because the better the masking, the better this effect will look. So that is it for Final Cut Pro. Now I am going to show for Premiere Pro. Okay, so in Premiere Pro this is the footage which I have taken, and the portion where I am going to just move my hand, I have placed a marker there, like this. Okay, so you need a word in such a way that it covers my entire movement of the hand. So just use a text like this and delete the extra portion, and then effects control panel, just reposition this in such a position that it covers my movement of the hand. Just let me just increase the size and place it around here so that it covers my entire movement of my hand, so that I can mask properly. And then go to the opacity and select the rectangle tool for masking and set a masking like this. And set a keyframe to the mask path, and then go to the next frame and keep on updating the mask so that it seems like the word is coming out of my hand, like this. And go to the next frame again, and go to the next frame, and go to the next frame, and keep on updating the mask. And the more time you take in doing this, the better this effect will look. And keep on updating the mask like this. Go to next frame, update the mask, Okay, next frame, update the mask again. It should have been a longer word because my hand movement is a bit long. So the longer the words, the better this effect will look. But for the sake of example, this is pretty much good. Okay, so you can go to the previous frames once more so that if you have done any kind of mistake, then you can update that. And that is pretty much it. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have liked the video. If you are someone who is interested in cinematography, photography and filmmaking, then joining my channel is the right thing for you to do. So come, let's join our hands and expand our family as much as we can. And do let me know in the comment section down below about what you are creating today. Peace.